splash, splash. A bee fell in the water. He went buzz, splash, buzz. When a bee falls in the water, that's what a bee does. Bee says buzz, splash, buzz. A mouse fell in the water, and much to his surprise, he got water in his ears, he got water in his eyes. Mouse says squeak, splash, squeak. A pig fell in the water. As he dreamed of eating cake, he was about to have a bite when he landed in the lake. Pig says, oink, splash, oink. A dog fell in the water. You know what he did then? He liked it so much that he fell in again. Dog says, rough, splash, rough. A cow fell in the water. She looked a little grim. Cows like to wade, but cows don't like to swim. Cow says, moo, splash, moo. A duck fell in the water, and ducks understand. Paddling in the water beats waddling on the land. Duck says, quack, splash, quack. A cat fell in the water. She wasn't pleased at all. When cats fall in the water, they look very, very small. Cat says, meow, splash, meow. A frog fell in the water with his flappy, froggy feet. Splashing in the water can be oh so very sweet. Frog says, ribbit, splash, ribbit. Diving and swimming, wading and playing, see if you can hear what the animals are saying. Buzz.